by the government of Kenya. So it is not in his place to direct Senator Muma on how to respond. But Mr. Speaker, the bigger issue is that when you're a member of parliament, you enjoy certain privileges that not many other Kenyans enjoy. In this house, the freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed. And Mr. Speaker, in as much as we want to talk about the accuracy of facts, this house is quasi-judicial. You cannot apply the Evidence Act in its entirety when it comes to this house, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, even judicial institutions take judicial notice. And Mr. Speaker, we can never be in a situation where we are saying this house can never take judicial notice of what is going on in the country. And that when someone brings the attention of the chair to things going on in the country, you are told to produce tangible and hard evidence. Mr. Speaker, I just want to encourage that let us not be too pedantic about the application of Standing Order number 105, because people will fear speaking here, because even if I rose up and said my name is Otieno, someone will tell me to prove and to provide my birth certificate. That kills and stifles debate. I want to urge the House across the aisle that let us not use 105 to stop people from processing their mind flow. And let us not be pedantic about it. Let us allow senators to exercise the freedom of expression, and let us also refrain from trying to defend the executive at all times, Mr. Speaker. We are all members of the Senate, and as we said yesterday, none of us here is a minister, is a president, is a prime minister. We are all senators. So if we want the government and the national executive